You're driving down the road, and suddenly a brand new pickup truck zooms past you. Chrome shining everywhere. Leather seats. Price tag? Probably $80,000. And here's what messes with your head. That person driving it? They probably make the same money as you. So how does that work? How are regular people buying trucks that cost more than most cars? Let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Ryan. I explain confusing money stuff. Today, we're figuring out how people afford these crazy expensive cars. Let's start with the facts. The average car payment in America is now over $700 a month. That's not for fancy cars. That's average. For trucks and big SUVs, we're talking $900, $1,000, sometimes $1,200 every single month. That's more than rent for a lot of people. And no, salaries didn't double to pay for this. So what's happening? These aren't rich people. They're teachers, nurses, regular office workers, people with normal jobs and normal paychecks. So how are they doing it? Here's the trick. Loan length. Car loans used to be 3 or 4 years. Done and paid off. Now, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. Some banks even offer 10-year car loans now. When you stretch the loan that long, magic happens. A $1,500 payment becomes $800. Suddenly, it feels affordable. But here's the problem. You didn't make the car cheaper. You just spread out the pain. Let's do the math. $900 a month for 8 years. That's over $86,000 you'll pay for a car that costs $60,000. And here's the worst part. After 5 or 6 years, your car is worth way less than what you still owe. This is called being upside down on your loan. You can't sell it. You can't trade it. You're stuck. So what do people do when they're stuck? They trade it in for a new car. But wait, they still owe money on the old one. No problem, the dealer says. We'll just roll that old debt into your new loan. Now you're paying for 2 cars. The old one you don't have anymore, and the new one sitting in your driveway. This is how people stay in car debt forever. And dealers? They love it. You're a customer for life. You've seen the ads. 0% financing. Sounds amazing, right? Here's what they don't tell you. You either pay full price and get 0%, or you get a discount and pay interest. Never both. And most people don't even qualify for the 0% deal anyway. It's bait. Think about this. If someone told you they spend $1,200 a month on coffee, you'd think they're crazy. But $1,200 a month on a car payment? We just say, well, you need a car. How do we get here? Cars used to be about getting from point A to point B. Now, they're about showing people who you are. Car commercials don't sell transportation. They sell success, power, freedom. That truck in the ad is climbing mountains. But in real life, it's just sitting in a parking lot outside Target. People aren't buying the truck. They're buying the feeling. To afford these payments, people give up a lot. They live in smaller places, cheap vacations, stop saving money, work extra jobs. Some even use credit cards just to pay for gas and repairs. All to keep the truck. Is it worth it? Let me show you something. $800 invested every month for 7 years at 8%. That grows to over $70,000. $800 car payment for 7 years? You end up with a truck worth maybe $15,000. One builds your future. The other destroys it. So next time you see someone in an $80,000 truck, don't feel jealous. They're probably not rich. They're just trapped. And your boring, paid-off car? That might be the smartest move you ever made. If this made sense, hit subscribe. New money videos every week. See you next time.